Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Elementor. Open the page and enter Edit with Elementor. Click the image widget you want to change. Once the image panel opens, choose Select Media or Upload Files. You do this now because alt text lives with the actual media item. While the media library loads, prepare a concise description that reflects the image purpose. This helps accessibility and SEO. Make sure the image is selected, then proceed to the image details, where alt text is added. Once the media library shows, click your image to open attachment details. You'll find alt text. Enter a short, accurate description that explains the image function and content. Include keywords only if natural. Make sure to avoid keyword stuffing and keep it succinct. Think 1 or 2 phrases. After typing, click Update or Insert Media so Elementor receives the new alt value. Back on the canvas, confirm the image still displays, and then continue to the final checks before publishing. Finish by previewing the page and verifying the alt attribute appears in the image tag. Open Browser DevTools and inspect the element if needed. If you don't see the new alt text, clear any Elementor or site cache, reopen the media library, re-enter the alt text, then update and reinsert the image. Make sure to republish if changes persist. One key troubleshooting tip. Caching often masks updates. Clear caches and refresh before further edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.